Hello guys, this is Jordas, the head and core of Bro90 community. So today I'm back with this tutorial where I'll be explaining you how to design a poster for our community. So for that we'll be using Canva. Canva is a very important tool which is available online, using which you can actually design very beautiful posters and different kind of designs. Yeah, so for using Canva you have to go to canva.com. After going to canva.com you can actually sign in or sign up. I'll be giving you the credentials if you are working for our community. So we have a premium account and I'll be giving you the credentials. After getting in with our credentials, you can go to all designs. Now, for example, if you see, people have been working on this from previous itself. Yeah. So as you can see, as you can see that, I mean, already there is a design and you can actually uh, copy this and paste it here. Now what you can do, you can remove this and from the upload section you can actually upload the photo and then do kind of shifting and all those things. And yeah, for now you can actually edit it very easily. You just have to change the title. Yeah, once you change the title, and you can change the dates and all. So it's on 29th April. Okay, it's not in 29th April, it's on soon. And yeah, and you can actually change the date to 26th 6 p.m. and in below you can write his name. So you can actually change the name, and then once you are done with this you can actually go to the download section and publish section. Go to the download section, select the png, and then you can select the page which one you want to download. Once you select the place and click on the download options, you can download the poster. So once you are done with this, you will get a png file downloaded in your computer. And yeah, there are other options. So if you want other posters, for example, this was for the YouTube. Now if you want it for Instagram, you can select the other designs. For my case, for Instagram designs seems like this, and I don't know where it went, who is working on this, but so the design is available here. You can actually paste your photo and little bit of text and can easily make your poster. So that's what we wanted to show into this tutorial, and hope this tutorial gives you a bit knowledge about it, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.